This video is about the carbohydrates. I will talk about its classification, chemical structure, chemical properties, digestion, absorption, and dose requirements. Carbohydrates are classified in simple and complex. According to the reference 2, mono and disaccharides are classified as simple carbohydrates and oligo and polysaccharides are classified as complex carbohydrates. Monosaccharides have 1 sugar unit, disaccharides have 2 sugar units, oligosaccharides have 3 to 10 sugar units, and polysaccharides have more than 10 sugar units. The most common monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, and galactose. The most common disaccharides are lactose, sucrose, and maltose. Some oligosaccharides include raffinose, stachyose, or verbicose. Also, very common polysaccharides include starch, glycogen, or dietary fibers such as cellulose. There is a lot of diversity of carbohydrates, many of them with important functions or applications. For example, desoxyriboses, which are components of DNA. Oligofructoses or fructooligosaccharides, also used as sweeteners, but being popularized in the Western cultures for its prebiotic effects. Sugar alcohols, resulting from the hydrogenation of sugars, are used in the food industry as thickeners and sweeteners. Sugar alcohols are less absorbed than common sugar in humans' intestines, having a small glycemic index, and also are not metabolized by oral bacteria, not contributing to tooth decay. Other example of carbohydrate is pectin, a main component of plant cell walls. Middle lamella is the most external part of plant cell walls, and pectin is middle lamella main component. Pectin contributes to the unification of adjacent cell walls. Just a curiosity, pectin is responsible for juice cloudiness and turbidity. Pectinase is the most important enzyme employed in juice clarification that breaks down the pectin polymer structure and reduces the undesirable turbidity, cloudiness, and sediment. For further information on the classification of carbohydrates, you can look at the tables presented in this slide. We are now moving into the structure of carbohydrates. After a better understanding of carbohydrate structure, maybe some of the names in the table will have more meaning.